All right, guys, so we've already done 4 of the 5 regions of the United States. The last one we need to talk about is the West. Notice that the West isn't just like California and those states that are in the Western United States, but they also include Hawaii and Alaska. Now, we know Hawaii and Alaska are not connected to the United States by land, but they are a part of the United States. So we are considering them part of the West when we're talking about the 5 regions. Since you don't have 2 regions on this one to compare, what you're just looking for this one is what are some landforms that you could find in the West? Maybe mountains, maybe some kind of water feature, something that you could look for while I'm reading. All you're going to have to do when you finish is list them on the next page. So, looking for landforms as I read. Once again, check out this elevation map. Notice how the West and Alaska are the highest elevations that we see. So that's pretty interesting to notice. All right, here we go with the West. 2.10. Mountain ranges stretch across much of the West. The Rocky Mountains begin far to the north in Alaska. From there, they stretch south across Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, and Colorado. The Great Basin lies to the west of the Rockies. A basin is a low, bowl-shaped landform that is lower than the land around it. Small ranges of hills line the Great Basin. On a map, they look like caterpillars crawling north toward Canada. The mountain ranges along the Pacific coast form a giant H on the map. The coast ranges make up the first long line of the H. These low hills seem to rise right out of the Pacific Ocean. The Sierra Nevada and Cascade Range form the second long line of the H. The Klamath Mountains form the crossbar. These mountains are covered with forests. Inside the arms of the H lie 2 rich farming valleys. The first is California's Central Valley. The second is Oregon's Willamette Valley. Hawaii is also mountainous. Its islands were made long ago by volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in earth through which hot, melted rock and ash may pour out. As the liquid rock cools, it forms a cone-shaped mountain. All right, so your job is to next go into your classroom page and list 4 of the landforms that you read about. So what are the specific names of landforms? Maybe they talked about a river, an ocean, a mountain, a volcano, something like that. You can write those things down in there. Now, when you finish with this, go back and make sure you have everything done the best of your ability. Make sure all of the pages and all of the questions are answered, and then you're going to turn this into Google Classroom. All right, guys, thank you.